I want to try to use PyTorch to create a little neural network that's going to compute logical OR. So there are only 4 possible inputs to this neural network, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. And 0, 0 gives false, gives 0, and the others all give true. The others all give 1. And so what's the neural network going to look like? And I'm going to try to make it as simple as possible. So there are going to be no hidden layers in this. And then as far as the input layer, there are going to be 2 neurons for this. And then there's going to be 1 output neuron, like for the Boolean true or false. And so these are connected. And so total, like think of this neuron as holding x0, this neuron as holding x1. Then they're going to be connected to the output layer using some weights, w0 and w1. And then there's going to be a bias also. Okay, that'll just call B. And I'm going to try to change the outputs into the range 0 to 1. So I'm going to use the sigmoid function for this. So sigmoid of x, okay, that's 1 over 1 plus e to the negative x. Okay, that function, its graph looks like something like that. And the special feature of it is that its outputs, they're always in the range from 0 to 1, not including 0 and not including 1. And so this is a good function to use if you want the output to represent something like a probability. And so total, like any neural network that has this sort of very simple form with just 2 inputs, 1 output, and using sigmoid as its activation function. Okay, well, if I call this y, then this is going to have the formula y equals sigmoid of x0, w0 plus x1, w1 plus b. And then the thing we're going to use PyTorch for is to try to find what are the best or what are some good values for these weights and the bias. So for values for w0, w1, and b. Hey, that's what we want to use PyTorch to try to find.